Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Debank gas fee estimation. Debank is a popular platform that provides users with a convenient way to manage their cryptocurrency assets and estimate gas fees for transactions on the Ethereum blockchain. To get started, first navigate to the Debank website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you can create one by following the registration process. Once logged in, you will see an overview of your cryptocurrency portfolio and a navigation menu at the top of the page. Click on the Portfolio tab to view your assets and select the one you want to use for the transaction. Then click on the Send button to initiate the transaction process. You will be prompted to enter the recipient address and the amount you want to send. Debank will then estimate the gas fee for the transaction based on current network conditions. The gas fee is the fee that you pay to the miners for processing your transaction. The estimated gas fee will be displayed in terms of GWEI, which is a unit of measurement for gas fees. You can adjust the gas fee to suit your needs by using the slider or entering a custom value. A higher gas fee will prioritize your transaction and get it processed faster, while a lower gas fee may take longer to process. It is essential to note that gas fees can fluctuate rapidly due to changes in network congestion. Debank provides a gas fee chart that shows the current gas fees and allows you to adjust your gas fee accordingly. Once you have set your gas fee, you can review the transaction details and confirm the transaction. Debank will then broadcast the transaction to the Ethereum network, and it will be processed by the miners. In conclusion, using Debank gas fee estimation is a straightforward process that can help you save time and money by optimizing your gas fees. By following these steps and using the tools provided by Debank, you can ensure that your transactions are processed efficiently and cost-effectively.